But here's the dragon as it sits now. I do have to be much more careful with the dragon because it's got all these little tail and it's still not fully, as I said, cured, but we can pull so that the mold releases it. And we just don't know what exactly is going to happen here. Here's the mold. And here's our dragon. That just looks beautiful. It's got a little bit of flashing on the underside, or what was the top side. A little bit of flashing along the edges that needs to be cleaned up. That's just gorgeous. And of course it needs to continue to cure. I love the dragon.